see all types of sentences and their indirect speech. In this exercise, we are going to talk about what? Reported speech, what? Imperative direct speech into indirect. You know very well there are different types of sentences. Right? Basically, there are 5 types of sentences: assertive, interrogative, exclamatory, imperative, and optative. Okay? So these all sentences can be changed into indirect speech. But here we are not going to see other types of sentences. We are going to talk about imperative sentences only. Okay? We are going to change imperative sentence into indirect. That means imperative direct speech into indirect. Alright. So you know very well there are certain changes to be made while changing a direct speech into indirect. Okay? So first thing is reporting verb change. Okay? We need to change tense. We need to change object sometime. Okay? We need to change pronoun and time adverb if used. So these are the necessary changes that occur while changing direct speech into indirect speech. Okay? So, but when it comes to changing reported speech or let's say imperative sentences into indirect speech, so there are certain things to remember. Okay? The first thing is, most importantly, you need to know about this reporting verb. So while changing imperative direct speech into indirect speech, we use these reporting verbs. Instead of said or said to, what I have to say is instructed, asked, urged, advised, requested, suggested, begged. Okay? These are some of the reporting verbs appropriate to use while changing direct speech into indirect speech. In case of which type of sentence? Okay. Imperative sentence. Alright. So let me write a sentence and then make you clear. So here is a sentence. He said to me. Okay. Comma, double inverted comma. Alright. Please help me. Okay. So we have a sentence like this. Look at here. He said to me, please help me. Okay. So this please help me is imperative sentence. So let me quickly tell you what an imperative sentence is. The sentence that makes requests, that makes suggestion, that provides advice, okay, or sometimes even creator, sometimes command, order. These type of sentences are imperative sentences. And imperative sentences begin with verb, okay, verb 1. And sometimes if we are making polite requests, at that time they may also begin with either kindly or please. You got it or no? So imperative sentence also starts with what? Please or kindly, especially when we make a polite request. For example, when the speaker says, please help me, the speaker is making polite request. Okay? Therefore, among these reporting verbs, okay, which one is better? Look at it. Requested is much better, right? Because when somebody says, please help me, he is asking, he is requesting to help you. Alright? So in this way, we need to change said to into what? Requested. Alright? And next thing is connective. We know very well in assertive sentence we use that as connective. In yes no question, we use if or whether as connective. We have already practiced this in our previous class. But regarding imperative sentence, the thing is different. What you have to do is you need to use true connective plus you should use verb 1. For example, this is verb 1. Here. So let's complete this. So this is direct speech. Okay, and imperative sentence. Now let us change it to indirect. So I already told you, he requested. Now me. Okay, look at there. Subject, reporting verb, object is there, me. Okay, now we need to have what? Connective. Connective is what for imperative, direct speech, indirect speech? To. He requested me to plus verb one. Help. Now me should be changed. Me means who here? Me means what? Who is me here? He. Understand? This speaker he is me here. Isn't it? So we need to change it according to this. So he when used as objective form, okay, we need to change it into him. Understand? So what is there? Him. He requested me to help him. So in this way, we change direct imperative into indirect. Alright. This is the thing we are going to discuss today. So let me repeat once again. So we can change imperative direct speech into indirect speech. While doing so, the first thing that we have to know very well is the reporting verbs. Okay, most appropriate reporting verbs, and then connective to plus word one. Alright. Now let's see from book. Okay. If you see page 40 of your book, in exercise A, you have different sentences in left hand side, and there in left hand side you can see direct speech, and right hand side you can see indirect speech. You can simply join there. All right, it is very easy. You may see yourself and join. Not a big problem. So more important exercise is B. Okay. Now let's check B number. All right. Let me erase this. This is just for example. It's not necessary to copy down. So let us see the first sentence. Okay. Please help me fix. Okay. Please, somebody is speaking. Please help me fix this machine. Fix this machine. Okay, look at here. So there is no subject in the first sentence, but you have been instructed. Write down. Okay, she. Okay, there is she as subject. As instructed to us, we can use she as subject. It is given in the second line of the question. So you can see here, you should read the sentence very carefully. The sentence again starts from please. It is exactly the same as we did before, because it is also a request. Someone is making request, and the request is what? To help him or her to fix that machine. Okay? So among these reporting words, the best reporting word is again what? Request. Okay? So let's write. She requested. Okay. Now you can say what object you can write as a pronoun. Me. Me is possible. You should imagine. You should assume that the speaker is making request to you. Understand?
So isn't it supposed to be requested? Why?
Yeah, she requested. All right, of course. Sorry, requested. She requested me, you can say, okay, to help. Now me means who? She. Okay. So therefore here, or. Now fix. Fix as it is. She requests me to help her fix
that machine.
Alright. So generally what we do is we change this into that while changing into indirect. That machine. Okay. Now you can simply fill in the blanks given in your book by writing, or you may copy down in your note as well. Okay. So this is how we do it. Okay, let's see the number. Now don't please switch on the fan. Alright. Don't please switch is coming on the fan. Alright, there is question mark in your book, and I think it's not appropriate to use question mark here. Alright, it's not a question actually, it's a request again. But what request is quite stronger here. Okay? Don't please. Okay, switch on the fan. Please has been used, it is of course request, but looks more stronger. Okay, or let's say quite stronger. So among all these reporting work, I think ours is better. You understood? It is not always appropriate to use please only, or let's say requested only. Sorry, it's not always appropriate to use requested as reporting verb. Instead of requested, we can also use what? Or. Right? Begged. Okay? Begged can also be used. So, let's write. So, the electrician.
So switch spelling is wrong.
Yes,
R-E-T-C-H.
Yes.
And even the machine one. M-E-C-H-I-N. M-A-C-H-I-N.
Yes, sorry. Yeah, please correct it. Alright. Now we can begin with the electrician as subject. The electrician or to switch on the fan. Sorry. You can see here. Is this sentence correct? Is the making correct here?
The electrician.
The electrician or to switch on the fan.
Isn't there supposed to be me, him, or her subject?
Object is not compulsory. Okay. Instead of saying so, let's see in the verb part. Okay. You can see do plus not here, right? The sentence is negative here. Understand? Do plus not has been used. Therefore, in this case, what we can do is the electrician ought not to switch on the fan, because the electrician doesn't want you to switch on it. Understand? So there is don't in the beginning. You can see here. Alright. The electrician ought not to switch on the fan. Okay. So if there is no object in the sentence, it's not compulsory. Right? Okay. Alright. You can directly do it. Alright. Now let's take next question. Got it. Next is help me with my homework, please. Okay. Help me with my homework, please. Okay, the sentence is like this. Look at here. And the beginning is my friend. Okay, look at here. This is also looks like request. Right? So, a person is feeling difficulty with homework. Okay, and he or she is asking request, asking help with friend. Okay, and this also looks polite request. Alright, because please has been used. Alright, requested is possible, of course, not incorrect to use, but it's not always, as I told you before, suitable to request, because you are already therefore you may use what? begged.
Beg.
Okay, this is also requested, pleaded. Okay, so let's write. So my friend begged
Beg.
me
To.
to, or me, not compulsory. Okay, my friend begged me to help
Him or her.
him or her, right? Because the gender is not clear here. Help him or her,
With his
yes,
homework.
with, yes, these are her homework. Homework. My friend begged me to help him or her with his or her homework. Alright. Would you like this? Okay. Let's move on to question number G. Alright. D has a question like this. Lend me some money, please. Lend me some money. Some money, please. Okay. And the subject that begins in indirect speech is she. S-H-E. So you can clearly see again, please has come and looks right request of course. So someone is borrowing money, alright? So see, you can simply use again requested. Okay? Yes. See, requested. You can use me or making sentence more sensible. She requested me to lend her some money. Alright. Yeah, one possible answer is she requested me to lend her some money. It's very easy. Alright. So let me erase first two. Alright. So let's see E number. Do your homework. Okay? Do your homework. And the teacher told me. Teacher told me. Yeah, your book has 12 reporting verbs. Answer part. However, instead of told, this word, any one of these words is also possible. Yes? So it's not always true to write told. Therefore, let us choose any one. So, do your homework, teacher is saying to students. Alright? So, when a teacher says, do your homework to his or her student, what is it? It's a request, instruction, order, okay, suggestion, advice, what? So it is necessary to see this. So instead of saying told, okay, let us write the teacher, yeah, you can also use asked, better can be what? Asked. No, it's not a question. Okay? Asked can also be used in this type of sentence. The teacher asks me, is there any like yes, yes, told me, asked me to
Do my homework.
do my homework. Okay, please everyone you should copy down. Alright, fill in the blanks. If don't smoke, okay, there is a phrase don't smoke. Okay, the sentence is like this, and the doctor, yeah, the subject is indirect. So how can we change it to indirect? Let's see. Don't smoke, but the doctor asked, suggested, advised, okay? Among these reporting verbs, which can be given question. So the doctor suggested, is a suggestion, isn't it?
Isn't it advice or
Advised, yes. Let's say advised.
But there's exclamation marks, isn't it?
Yeah. So exclamation mark, yes, or some kind of like
Wrong.
stone order or something like that. Emotion. So the doctor, yeah, advised, suggested, order can also be correct. Okay, but if we write advised to, it's not incorrect because from a doctor's point of view,
It's advice.
it's advice, of course. Okay, so I think it's not wrong to write advised. The doctor advised. You can write not to smoke, or you can write even me as object. The doctor is advised me not to smoke. Okay, look at it. Why not to? Because the to plus not is used in the beginning. Okay, therefore this is what at this preparation. All right, now we have last one. Yes. C. Don't make a mess. So similar type of sentence is there. Who is the speaker here? My mother. My mother. So what do you think? What is the sentence?
Don't make.
Is like some suggestion, advice,
I guess
Or,
it's a command. Command.
command. I think it's order more appropriate.
Yeah.
Okay? Order is more appropriate. Not order is like my mother order me
Not to
not to
make a mess.
make a mess. Okay. Sometimes want is also appropriate here, you know. Want. Nepali what we call it chetao. That means okay, if I repeat it, I may be punished in future, or I may have some sort of punishment. Therefore, yeah, one can also be used instead of order. One. Okay, anyone is appropriate. All right, I hope you got how to change imperative direct speech into indirect. So there are many other imperative sentences that can be converted into indirect speech or changed into indirect speech. Okay. So the main thing is what? Reporting word in this kind of sentence and the connective. And the sentence starts with a negative marker. Okay. Then don't forget to use not to plus one. Alright, and we remove comma, inverted comma, and the sentence becomes assertive, instant, full stop. Right? So in this way we change direct speech into indirect, and especially imperative direct speech into indirect. Alright, so thanks a lot. Yeah. So this is all about it, and you can now see page number 41, and you can do it in your copy. Alright, now we are closing the video. Please.
Yes, sir.